We are making a country farmhouse care package out of a wood crate here at Markets of Sunshine today. So thank you for joining me, and I hope that you are going to enjoy this craft along with me doing decoupage on a wood crate. So first off, I wanted to show you the remnants of when I made my own tissue napkin out of tissue paper. So this is just the little piece that's left over, but the whole entire piece is here already on the wood crate. That is going to be my farmhouse care package that's going to be listed in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. So my Etsy shop and my business, Markets of Sunshine. You can find me all over social media. Facebook, just type in Markets of Sunshine. Instagram, Markets of Sunshine. Twitter, here on YouTube, so you'll find me, my blog. And so this cute little care package is a one-of-a-kind, very unique, exclusive to our shop because this design is my daughter's original artwork. So I scanned the image and then I printed it out on tissue paper, and you have to attach your tissue paper to a piece of cardstock. So you can see the leftovers here. So you put double-sided tape around the edges, put your tissue paper on it, put it in your inkjet printer, and it doesn't jam it up, and it will print it right on there. But then to take it off, you have to cut away the edge where the double-sided tape was, because you cannot get that tissue paper onto there without ripping it. So that's just my little tip and discovery. So that was so exciting to make my own design. So what you can do, as a for instance, if you're not an artist, you don't have original artwork of your own, just take images out of a magazine, because once you purchase the magazine, it's yours to deconstruct and do whatever you want to with it. Copyright laws, you can look that up. And so this particular image, let's just say it says Quilt Boutiques. You could scan this, put your tissue paper onto your cardstock, run it through your inkjet, and now you would have this image that you could use, and you could put it on anything that you would use the napkins, the decorative napkins on. You can put it on your journals, the decoupage like I'm doing here. So you know all the different ways that you can use a decorative napkin in our junk journal world, crafting world. So this is what I'm doing with this. So in addition to the crate, the gift box with this particular care package, there's a few more items, and as I'm working on them and making them, I will show you, but I just want to show you these first few pieces. So the note card will have journaling pages inside of it, and then this is a little journal. It's a blank journal that I've covered with chicken theme fabric, so it's just blank on the inside, so I have to finish this up on the inside, and it's going to be left shabby, just like this, like you see it. I might trim this down a little bit. Very rustic, very farmhouse, country, farm girl theme. And then this cute, adorable sunflower paperclip bookmark is going to be in the kit, the package. And then I'll do one with the chicken family on it, so I'll have to take probably my little leftover piece of napkin that I showed you, and I'll probably put her on the front and make my bookmark out of that. So I have tons of cute little paper pack that's all country farm theme that I'm going to be using and making some more fun stuff to go into this care package. There will also be a tea wallet, so it will be in the fun decorative elements as well. So I may use one of these papers here to make the tea wallet, or I may make it a fabric one. So I also do fabric little tea wallets, so it just depends on what I decide I'm going to do. There will be a keychain. It just comes with a number of wonderful gifts. But this is the writing box, so there'll be the two journals, your bookmarks. I may find a pen and throw in a pen. There's organic tea samples that come in the gift package. So if you go to my Etsy shop, marketsofsunshine.store, you'll see the current care packages that are there. I have all the yellow sunshine in a box. I have Morning Glory. I can't even remember the other two that I have. Anyway, there's 4 total right now. 2 of the packages come with a sun hat and a face mask. You still get your writing journals and things like that. So there's different price points, and this is expensive to ship it. So because of the weight of this crate is heavy. So that is added into the cost. So just so that you know that. If it was lightweight, ship it for a couple of bucks, that's one thing. But when it's priority mail, and of course, I don't know if you've probably seen the controversy on the news, not to get sidetracked on that, but postage has gone up quite a bit, I must say. Shockingly, ridiculously priced. But anywho, it's well worth it. Let me just put it that way. It's well worth it. And I wrapped this. I sold one. It was wrapped so adorable. And I forgot to take the pictures. So this next one, when I get it all wrapped, I'll take those pictures and then they'll be in my Etsy shop. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put the finishing touches on this. And then I had a new paint. And I talked about it in my last video, and I told you that I was going to show you how this turned out. It does have a little bit of a strong odor. So when I was going to use it again, I will have to be outside to do it because it left the whole room smelly for quite a while. So again, because I'm very sensitive, other people may not even, you probably wouldn't even bat an eyelash. I would say that the odor reminds me of very strong children's Play-Doh, but just for me, on my purposes, amplified like times 10. So, but you may not know it if you have a good, things like that don't bother you. This is the patina color. Now, I did it on that care package that I sent out. Again, like I'm saying, it was gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I left the care package in another room, and my husband saw it, and he goes, "Oh, that's beautiful." And I said, "Yeah, it's sold. Somebody's going to get this." He goes, "Oh." And then, of course, like I said, didn't take pictures, and all of my uniqueness of what I do to things, and that's what I always forget to do. I was like, "You did it again, Marcia. You didn't take a picture." Okay, so we're going to bring and put on another coat of the, and now this is something I was just finding out a minute ago. So we're going to see if it does it again. So the napkins, when you wet them and you put them on here, you put the glue, it didn't bleed. So, but this, I noticed an area that was bleeding. So I'm going to hope and pray that it doesn't bleed when I put more glue on top, or I'll be crying. Because you have to seal this napkin, this is tissue paper, but you have to seal it. And so I'm assuming it's probably the wetter that I get it that may make that bleed. And I did not see anyone else talk about that in their videos, but I did notice that it was on the red. So I don't know what was going on with that, but so far I'm not seeing any of it bleeding. So it looks like we're good to go here. There you go, see up here, you can see that little bit of a bleeding. So we'll see. Put some up here. And then we'll see, does it do it again? Is it just on the red? What was the deal? Or was it because I had gotten it so wet? That may be what happened. Okay, looks okay. So this is so cool. I love it. And as far as I know, I may, the next one I do, run a hot iron over it, or do just the heat gun. I may do that to set it, and let's see if that will solve that issue. Okay, now we're going to have to go in between, so what I'm going to do is just put it on the brush, and I need to seal this part here. But I just love the whole look of this. the design, it just gives it such character to do the design like this on this slatted wood. You would have a solid piece of wood. You know, you wouldn't lose any of your design, like when you do it on your journal covers and things like that. Gonna have to refill my bottle here. It's wanting to give me too many air bubbles. Okay. Just to give everyone a heads up, in September 15th, I have to go in for some dental procedures, and I don't know if I'll be able to talk very well, so my videos may either become less often, less frequent, or I will just have to put up some text on the screen and but just explaining to you why you would see a change temporarily. And hopefully all will go well and I will be back in the swing of things. Okay, let's do this. Alright, how are we gonna, okay, good. Just that's wet. Alright. So the tissue paper seems to act much like the napkin does. So now once this dries, this will seal in the ink and the image. Crafting just is so therapeutic. I love crafting, and the finished product brings me so much joy to see it turn out so well. How do you feel about your projects and when you finish them? Does it bring you joy also? Do you find your crafting is very therapeutic for you as well? Let me know in the comments below. Now, we're inching closer to 200 subscribers, and I will be doing another giveaway when we get to the 200 subscriber mark. So I just want to give you a reminder so you can invite your friends and share my videos so that the community can grow, and then I will be doing my next giveaway, which will continue to be product credit to my Etsy shop. So I have 2 shops, and you will be getting a $10 store credit to one of the 2 shops. So I'll be giving 2 gifts away. Alright, this is giving me a hard time. Okay, so there you have it. So this is the next care package that's going to go in my shop. So I hope you enjoyed this. So cute. And then I hope you like the next little goodies that are going to be going in the care package with it. So when I finish up the whole set, then I'll show you that, and that'll be in the next video. And also I will do the preview of what will be in the contents, and we'll do the putting on the vintage deco art wash. This is patina color. I'll go down the sides here with it, and that'll bring in the green grass with it. So anyhow, we'll do that outside. So maybe tomorrow morning, if the weather's good here in Florida, I can do that. It's supposed to get some dry days. You never know when it's going to rain. So rain today, so it's definitely the dry weather has not come yet. Thank you very much for joining me today, and this is a continuing saga of making care packages, doing decoupage technique, and I will show you again. I'll do some more printing on the tissue paper with yet another one of my daughter's artwork images, and then I will show you that before I take it off the cardstock, and then we'll do that whole process together. Okay? Thank you for being here, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all those good things, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.